All right, so let's talk about the smile of football player Matthew Stafford. So there's a lot of chat online about what did he have done to his teeth and things like that. So when we look at this before and after, we can definitely tell that there's been an improvement in the straightness, the size, and the color of the teeth. And you can see in the before smile, there's almost like a little bit of overlap on the front two teeth, also like creating this kind of angulation on his front two teeth, looking like they're going inwards. You can see the lateral teeth look kind of small, the canines are kind of prominent, and then the smile kind of dies out on the side. So we can see like front six teeth kind of being a little bit more prominent. And so you can see in the new smile, obviously there's been a change in color. You can also see that the lower teeth look like they got improved in color as well, and they look straighter, and his smile looks fuller. And so you can tell that Matthew Stafford's had some veneers done on his upper and lower teeth, and I believe he probably did it to improve the straightness, the color, and the sizing of his teeth. And so now he definitely has a lot more of a bolder look. I do feel like a lot of people would kind of question, why didn't he just get whitening and maybe Invisalign or something like that, which maybe he could have benefited, and maybe he did try that, but maybe he just wasn't happy with the way his teeth look, and now he has just more of a Hollywood perfect smile. Yeah, if he's happy, I'm happy for him. But again, you can see definitely a big difference between his before and after, and I definitely think he's had some veneers done on his top and bottom teeth in order to achieve his smile. And yeah, what do you guys think about his new smile?